Kong.
Sabog na to. Sabog na to.
Yumi. Yumi. Sige pa. Gamot yan. Okay na? Kong.
Sabog na to. Sabog na. Thank you po, Mami.
Ay, ang bait ka. Ba't ang bait mo? Ano ba yung niti-thank you mo?
Binili siya ng magandang bag.
Tapos may french fries.
Ay, french fries pa.
Lapis. Pati kay Ikong?
Oo.
Lapis?
Isa lang. Ay, yung tatlo na yan.
Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods on an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. Little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good.
Umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa pa.
Al! Tumatay, kuya! Ay, ano ba yan? Nagbibideo ako. Dapat yung formation nyo, hindi na ano. Usag ka.
What? Ang sakit sa kwelyo! Dito ka!
Yummy!
Feeling good, feeling good. Every day and every night, life is a journey full of spices. Gotta savor every slice. I have surprises on the corner. I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just have to make the.
Siguro mami yung pagka-blue niya medyo mas light lang sa damit niya, no?
Ah, pwede.
Yung mo straight body ka ha. Yan, dito mo lang yung cup.
Hala, dumudugo.
Candera is the king. Welcome to Mesa. Alilain mo si tita mo. Bakit namatawa ka, anak?
Ayo, back to school check.